Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a simple circuit using a breadboard, a battery, some LED lights, and a small resistor. So the resistor that we are going to use, let's bring the multi-tester here. There, I think it's 0.96 and the switch is set to 20,000 ohms. I think that will work. Now, electricity is not that complicated. Just need a battery and some ideas on how to make the circuit work. So, I made this. I soldered it on and I made the red wire the negative. I don't know why, but don't ask. So, we are going to connect the red wire to the negative part of the circuit board and the yellow on the positive. There you go. So if you don't know how a circuit board works, all you need to do is search YouTube. And then to make the LED work, uh, the LED cannot take all of the 9-volt power coming from the battery that we have here. This will explode and your house will be caught on fire. We don't want that to happen. So that is what the resistor is for. Okay. So what you want to do is put the resistor on the positive panel and connect it with a available panel in the breadboard like that. And then let's put the LED light. The longer wire is the anode and the shorter wire is the cathode, I think. So you put it like that. Make sure they are in the same line, and from your breadboard kit you should have one of these wires when you can connect the boards with the panel there. And to make things more visual, let's include a switch. How about let's just use a switch instead? Okay, this is a switch that I make. It's a 2-pin switch and I put some wires the end of it. So let's use the switch. So pick a wire, put it on the panel where the negative is connected. Then put this on the negative because your resistor is already on the positive. It's turning on. The switch is on. Let's put it on off. So this is how the simple circuit that we made. The power is coming from the 9-volt battery and it is going to the main board, and electricity is being resisted by the resistor going to your component, which is our LED, and then the wire will go back to the negative, so then the negative will go back to the power source and the electricity will just go around in circles, and it is being stopped by the switch that we have here. So if you turn on, the light goes on. See, the house is not on fire thanks to the resistor. If you turn it off, obviously it will turn off because we are cutting off the electricity. So that is our simple circuit, and I think we can make things more complicated in the next video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.